Ready to drive it? Go ahead. Turn. Bring it back now. Slow down. Go ahead, come on, go around the tree. You jamming out to your car?
Oh, great, my hands are cold now.
Go ahead, drive around. Go ahead, full speed. Go ahead.
I thought I was going to crash into that tree.
Come on, bring it back.
My hands are getting cold. Whoa!
Go ahead.